Arima, the home of me, Jadee. Welcome inside another edition of Jadee Eats. Big up right here on Foodie Nation. Listen, fam, we on O'Meara Road, O'Meara Plaza. I'm excited. You're in my hometown, you know. And today, we come to figure out what is going on with Church's Chicken and the two featured sandwiches. We're talking about the Mexicana signature sandwich and the super spicy sandwich. Hey, watch me, when I tell you none for all today, I mean none for, actually, you might get some today. What's up, buddy?
Hi, Jadee. Welcome to Church's.
Hello, how are you? Thank you. Listen, my name is Jadee from Foodie Nation. And did you all get an email concerning our coming here to try out the two sandwiches today?
Yes, we did the Mexicana and the super spicy.
Yes. That is it, Foodie fam, that is it. I'm really excited because I'm a sandwich person and I shop here, I eat here all the time, I dine here all the time. But I never really had the Mexicana or the super sandwich.
So the Mexicana sandwich and the super spicy, right?
I can't come Church's Chicken and not have all the biscuit, the crazy, amazing biscuit. I would like to have. Let me get two of those. All right. Sweet treats look good, but we're not here for the sweet treats. Okay. So first up, let me just talk about this biscuit. Oh my gosh, it is breaking up in my hands. Oh Lord, look at that. You see that? Do you see this? Wow. Listen. You bring a better biscuit. I dare you. I double dare you. I triple dare you to bring a better tasting biscuit than Church's biscuit. This thing, look at that. Sorry. This thing is breaking up in my hand far less so when it reaches in my mouth. Is this honey? This is honey, right? Production. This is honey. This is honey on top of the biscuit. It's not a joking honey, no. This is like bees. Oh, good. Okay, so let's get into what we came here for. All right. This will be the Mexicana. No. This is the super spicy. Yeah. And over here, yes, this will be the Mexicana. This will definitely be the Mexicana. So, oh yeah. I'm coming back to you later. Don't worry about that. I'll come back to you. Okay, so, all right. So let's, first of all, of course, the same size buns here, right? We're gonna do the bun test. You know, we always do the bun test here at Jadee, on Jadee Eats. See, right there? I think the bun test definitely passed. Fingerprint in the bun. I wanna pop the top. Let me just pop the top a little bit here. What we're dealing here is with a sexy, saucy cabbage salad. Yeah, and then under that, we could see the cheese between two chicken breasts. Oh, that looks good. Can I just say something? Is this upside down? Listen, can you only just leave me alone on YouTube? Right? I saw Woody Pucker comments. He eating it upside down. That's how I eat. All right, so you want some? Yeah? None for you. Oh boy. We have a problem. A good problem. This is a situation. Off the bat is crunchy, you know. Hold on. Off the bat is crunchiness, you know. And it's spicy. It's not, because you all know with me and pepper, it's not over spicy where you can't eat it and you want to spit out the food. No, it's a nice flavor when it comes to the spiciness. And they said it was invented. Can I use that word? spicy was created right here locally. I'll go in again. Production. This chicken breast. Yeah, it is. Could have fooled me. Local chicken breast. It is amazingly soft. You sure that's not fish? Okay, so that was the super spicy. And just to not give you all a heart attack there in YouTube, Facebook land. So this is how you're supposed to eat the burger, right? This is upside down. This is upside down. Actually, it's not. Okay, so we're going for the Mexicana. I'm already seeing, oh, what is this? This is a tortilla in the sandwich. This is going to be amazingly crunchy. Let me just try it by itself. Hold on. Oh yeah. We're going in for a treat here, guys. Okay. You want some? Yeah, none for you. Oh yes. And here's sombrero. You can't eat this without a sombrero, my friend. You take it straight to Mexico. Oh, I spit it all over the place today. The tortilla gives it a crazy extra crunch. You know? I can deal with this. Sometimes, you know, you put your onion rings to get a crunch, and yeah, that's nice. But this is extreme crunch with that Mexican spicy flavor. I love this. Something decent, extra. Is it spicy mayonnaise? Spicy mayo. Purple onions. Guys, well, you had to try this one. Alright, so here we're going on. These two sandwiches are excellent. I am going to totally disrespect and break Foodie Nation protocol. I want to invite some people, I want to invite some unsuspecting customers to try these sandwiches. Because I just can't keep all this to myself. I want to find out what they think. You understand? Get them a little vibes, find out what they think so they can eat with your boy. But the thing is, we only get invited to do 2 sandwiches. So, let me just go on, you know, call management and see if we can work out a little 20. How 20 sound? Yeah? So I'm not going to say none for you. Some for you. How about that? Just for this one. So I go. Hey, what's up, bro? Listen, I was wondering, the call management from a manager here on the floor?
Yeah. I'm Joshua. A customer would like to speak to you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Excellent service and sandwich. Listen, I was wondering, right?
Mm-hmm.
I know we only we're supposed to have 2 sandwiches. I want to share.
No problem.
You believe in sharing?
Of course.
Yeah. So I want to share. You think I can get 20 more?
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
Cheers, boy. All right. So we're gonna take 20 sandwiches and yeah, just bless up some people. But they had to sit on camera and tell us what they think, which one they prefer. Recorded? Come on, bro. What's up? My name is Jadee. We're doing Foodie Nation, right?
Food what?
Foodie Nation
Alright.
is a food review, and we're reviewing 2 sandwiches here today now.
Which
The
one?
spicy, super spicy sandwich and the Mexicana, right? And today's a lucky day. I don't know if you'll be interested in having 2 sandwiches. You just take a little taste here. The 2 sandwiches is yours. It's not like you had to give it.
I know gonna say you gotta make me taste a piece of sandwich, boy. That you gotta make me do?
You ain't go-
I'm working this,
No, you ain't go. The 2 sandwiches are yours, but all you do is just, you know, you start to eat one, you start to eat the next one.
I can add juice to her.
What's the name?
A J.
J.
But you can't make.
Alright,
I go buy the juice.
We're gonna trade it. Alright, you buy the
I go
juice.
buy the juice. I don't see. Because you know, I get something to wash it down properly. You know?
Let me get the sandwich party started one time, alright? That's the Mexicana. That's the Mexicana. You could open up that one there. Yeah, so guys, you see, normally I say none for you, but not today. Not today. You get some, right? He hold it correct? Yeah, he did hold it correct.
I don't hold it to keep everything in place now, but if it goes slip out.
Yeah, you're trying to take my job or no? That is a bite. That is a bite. the Mexicana with the tortilla and the spicy mayo with the lettuce, iceberg lettuce, yeah, and tomatoes. She's gonna tell you in a little bit. If you want, you could do a double back. You could do a double back. You could come back here. You could come back here. Hold on, hold on. This is yours. Yes, yes, yes. That's what we're talking about. Wipe again, wipe again. Now what we're talking about. Now what we're talking about.
I love the texture.
Right.
Nice flavors.
I'm going to Mexico now.
I know what my preference was, you know, but I wouldn't say it. I would keep it until the end of the video.
This one.
Yeah. You like both of them?
I like both of them, but I like the tortilla.
Yeah, the Mexicana going catching them with the tortilla.
Well, I have to go with the Mexican.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it gets a difference with the tortilla in there. And the flavors combine, you know?
Right. But this is good also, but you prefer...
Yes, I prefer this one.
Yeah, funny enough, you know.
And this one.
Right.
Juicier.
Okay.
In terms of the sauces and everything.
Yeah, because it had the spicy mayonnaise in it, so you're sharp.
This one has more sauce and everything. And I'm a fan of wet food.
Right.
I don't like my food too.
This video.
That take much, yeah.
So I didn't try to get... Right, right. Correct.
So, this one, I'm a fan of more saucy foods and stuff. So this one actually hitting the spot.
Right.
This one lashing too, eh? I like though how they have the cabbage and thing. Yeah, the lettuce and everything.
Right.
Fresh. So you get the crunch.
Again, I feel
Make
it.
everything nice and fresh.
I feel it.
Normally, I don't really buy sandwiches. I like to name on my chicken just so. But today, I think about it.
You get converted to us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think because
Let me do a little interpretation. Nyamen again is a for all our international followers. Nyamen means to really enjoy the delicacy. You know what I'm saying? So what he says basically is that the Mexicana he loves both of them, but he's drawn more to the Mexicana, and because of the spicy and the juiciness. With me, I was more drawn to the super spicy. For some reason, the super spicy is not as spicy as the Mexicana. The Mexicana has the spicy mayonnaise and whatever. So, but the super spicy goes a little edge over for me. Bro, sandwiches are yours. Thank you for passing through.
no problem.
Yeah, don't ever apply for a job here at Foodie Nation. Let's get this guy over here, bro.
What?
I don't understand. We will understand? The biscuits?
No,
You ever had this biscuit before?
I love this biscuit.
Dog, nobody. Watch me.
I never.
You
You see that one? You think that's on top of it?
Dad, I tell you, it's bees. I think it's a bee's farm, you know. Is it possible to squeeze a bee and get the honey out there, bam, bam? I can't say that. Cut. Can't say that.
No,
We can't
no,
say
it's
that.
not.
But this is real honey. It's real honey. It's real honey, 100%. You know it. You know it.
I swear.
Best biscuit ever. I don't want to start
Seriously,
calling
can I do
other.
this? Seriously.
Yeah, we want to start calling names and
No.
getting reckless, right?
No.
We could get reckless, right? But we don't
Could.
want to. We could.
But we don't want to start that vibe.
We could, dog. We could, but we want to start our vibes.
This biscuit, top,
Lash.
everything.
Yeah,
What are you doing? No,
All right, foodie fam, the verdict is in, you know. The verdict is in. I want to say thank you so much to Church's Chicken for having us here. And the verdict is in. People, we reviewed the two sandwiches. I did my review first. I reviewed the super spicy chicken and of course the Mexicana chicken. I preferred just a little edge over the Mexicana. I preferred the super spicy chicken over the Mexicana. But guys, I want to let you know these two sandwiches are amazing. Of course, the biscuit is just nobody ever eat, right? Church's chicken biscuit and was like, I wonder, it's just total slaughter of flavor, softness, and honeyness and sweetness with that biscuit. I want to give you some information though, right? The spicy seasoning for this chicken, right? At Church's Chicken was created locally. Yeah, and guess what? It didn't stop there. They use it throughout the world with the Church's Chicken brand. Trinidad, maybe where Trinidad may come from. That's how we just do it. People love these two sandwiches, but they prefer the Mexicana a little bit. They love that spicy mayonnaise, and they love the tortilla crunch in the sandwich that just give them a little bit of edge. You can go ahead, my friend. Right, so one second. Go ahead, you good. Somebody ordering in the background because we kind of like ordering. Yeah. When he finish, when he done. So you can come down at Church's Chicken, try the sandwiches yourself, and make sure to come back and let us know. Leave a comment below. If you tried it already, take the advantage right now. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you preferred. Either is the super spicy sandwich or the Mexicana. All right, my name is Jadee. This is Jadee Eats. Thank you for watching another episode right here on Foodie Nation. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube page, Facebook. We love all you. Keep them comments going. Subscribe, leave a comment on the Facebook page, and like up the Instagram. And yo guys, we just read it. We just read all the comments. We try to interact with all you. All right, so see you next time right here. Hey, somebody said they wanted to hear the song the last time. Take a little song. Subscribe, like, and follow. That's how the thing this go. Subscribe, like, and follow. That's how the thing this go. Tell them, hey.